Welcome to Product Plus. Discover a range of smart, practical, and lifestyle-friendly gadgets designed to simplify daily routines, elevate comfort, and add convenience perfect for home, travel, or work, making everyday living smoother and more enjoyable. All products links below. Imagine summer afternoons made better with frosty, fluffy snow cones right from your kitchen counter. Whether it's a poolside hangout, kid's birthday party, or even an evening cocktail twist, this compact shaved ice machine makes every gathering cooler, sweeter, and way more fun. Start your mornings with fresh, nutrient-packed juice, no endless chopping or messy cleanup. This compact juicer slips neatly onto your counter, making it easy to fuel busy days with pure, vibrant flavors. From crisp apples to leafy greens, it's your shortcut to healthier routines. Picture waking up to cafe-quality lattes, cappuccinos, or rich black coffee without leaving your kitchen. With smart features, silky froth, and effortless one-touch brewing, this machine makes mornings smoother, weekends cozier, and entertaining guests feel like running your own little coffee bar. Skip the mess and make baking way easier with this clever kneading bag. From mixing dough to marinating meats or even storing leftovers, it keeps your kitchen clean while saving space. Perfect for home bakers, meal preppers, or anyone who loves hassle-free cooking. Imagine skipping the ironing board and laundry trips. Just slip your shirt on, set the timer, and let this smart dryer iron combo handle the rest. Perfect for busy mornings, workdays, or last-minute events, it keeps clothes crisp while saving you precious time. Turn everyday curiosity into discovery with this pocket-sized digital microscope. From checking coins and jewelry to exploring plants or teaching kids about science, it makes tiny details come alive anytime, anywhere. Just plug it into your phone and start uncovering hidden worlds instantly. No more scrambling for paper clips. This sleek little tool pops out in trays in seconds while doubling as a handy cleaning brush for your phone ports. Compact enough for your keychain, it's the kind of everyday gadget you'll be glad to have on hand. Forget ladders and awkward reaches. This telescopic cleaning kit makes tackling windows, solar panels, cars, and even RVs a breeze. Lightweight yet sturdy, it lets you scrub high or low with ease, keeping your spaces spotless while saving time and energy on big cleaning days. Say goodbye to calling the plumber for every clog. This cordless drain auger powers through tough blockages in sinks, showers, and toilets with ease. Portable and simple to use, it saves you money, time, and the headache of dealing with messy pipes. Imagine slipping your outfit into a steamer bag, pressing one button, and letting powerful steam smooth every wrinkle while you sip coffee or get ready. This hands-free clothes dryer makes mornings calmer, faster, and your wardrobe effortlessly polished without the ironing hassle. No more fighting over outlets. This powerhouse charging hub juices up to 60 devices at once, from phones and tablets to headphones and game consoles. Perfect for offices, classrooms, or big households, it keeps everyone powered up neatly, safely, and without the clutter. Think of it as your extra set of hands in the kitchen. This smart paddle stirs, sautés, and simmers while you relax. From hearty stews to family-size roasts, it cooks evenly, faster, and with zero fuss, making weeknight dinners feel effortless. Cleaning doesn't have to be a chore. This lightweight vacuum sweeper glides through dust and debris quietly, making it perfect for homes with kids or pets. With strong suction, easy disposal, and cordless convenience, it keeps your floor spotless with minimal effort. Bring the taste of homemade pasta straight to your kitchen with this powerful noodle maker. Whether it's silky fettuccine for family dinners or dumpling wrappers for weekend feasts, it makes fresh, additive-free pasta effortless, perfect for both passionate home cooks and small restaurants. Tackle stubborn grime with ease. This rotating washing nozzle delivers powerful water pressure that scrubs every corner without missing a spot. Whether it's tanks, buckets, or pipes, it saves you serious time and effort while keeping cleaning efficient, thorough, and hassle-free. Turn any room into a dreamy escape with this astronaut galaxy projector. Perfect for movie nights, gaming sessions, or simply unwinding. It fills your space with stars and nebulae, adding magic, relaxation, and a stylish cosmic vibe to everyday moments. No more wrestling with dusty window screens. This smart cleaner makes the job quick, easy, and surprisingly satisfying. Just hook it to a hose, set it up in seconds, and watch screens sparkle. Perfect for homeowners or pros looking to save time and effort. Doing laundry while traveling or in tight spaces doesn't have to be a struggle anymore. This compact, ultrasonic washer makes cleaning delicate clothes effortless. Perfect for apartments, dorms, or trips where convenience, hygiene, and fabric care matter most. Movie nights instantly feel more special when you're popping fresh kernels right at home. With quick heating, even stirring, and a built-in serving bowl, this popcorn maker brings that cozy theater vibe straight to your kitchen. Delicious, fun, and effortlessly shareable. Entertaining at home becomes effortless with a reliable ice maker by your side. Whether it's cocktails for friends, chilled drinks at family dinners, or keeping party coolers stocked, this machine ensures you'll never run out of crystal clear, refreshing ice again. Cooking, cleaning, or handling a kitchen mess feels so much easier with hands-free paper towels ready when you need them. Mounted neatly under your cabinet, this smart dispenser keeps things tidy, convenient, and impressively modern in your everyday routine. Keeping your laundry area fresh and hygienic often comes down to the little things. This stainless steel drain connector prevents backflow and odors while ensuring smooth water drainage, making it a smart, low-effort upgrade for washing machines and household drains. Whether you're rushing out the door or chilling at the park, this cordless blender makes it easy to whip up smoothies, shakes, or icy drinks anywhere. With its portable twist-and-go design, you'll always have fresh blends at your fingertips. For those who love natural living, this all-press brings fresh, nutrient-rich oils right to your kitchen. Whether you're pressing seeds, nuts, or sunflower kernels, enjoy homemade oils with full flavor and health benefits. Perfect for family cooking or small business use. With its clever upright design, this rice paddle makes serving neat and effortless. No more messy countertops or sticky rice clumps. Built to handle heat and daily use, it's the kind of kitchen essential you'll appreciate at every meal, from rice bowls to salads. Perfect for small businesses, cafes, or even home brewers, this concealer takes the hassle out of sealing drinks and keeps everything fresh and professional. With smooth operation and stable performance, it's a reliable upgrade for anyone turning passion into profit. Whether you're weighing fresh produce at home or checking luggage before a trip, this portable digital scale slips right onto your keychain for everyday convenience. With its clear LCD and smart auto-off design, staying accurate and hassle-free has never been easier. Imagine finishing a long hike and rinsing off under steady, refreshing pressure right at your campsite. With adjustable flow, long battery life, and a lightweight design, this portable shower keeps outdoor adventures clean, comfortable, and just a little more luxurious. Stay cool wherever life takes you with this compact turbo fan. Whether on your commute, at the gym, or traveling outdoors, its powerful airflow, icy compress pad, and whisper-quiet design provide refreshing comfort and relief from heat all day long. Turn your mornings into a cafe-style ritual with this smart coffee machine. From bold espressos to creamy lattes, its touchscreen, self-cleaning system, and milk frother make brewing effortless, perfect for busy routines or leisurely weekends at home. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing home and kitchen finds. Like the video and share your thoughts in the comments section below.